with the makeup tutorial. Go ahead, get into it. My first step in doing my makeup is, of course, my cushion. Guys, do you see the difference? If you really want to change your makeup routine, get a cushion. It's a game changer. Some on your neck, of course. You know what I need, guys? I need a chair because I'm gonna break my back. The skin is looking so good. Push it so it blends so well with your skin. My favorite concealer, which is Vista. Here, forehead too. Acne marks. I'm gonna let that sit for a second, and we're gonna spray with this NYX. Should have 2 bottles. I'm gonna finish this one. Marinating the concealer. Go ahead, do our brows. Benefit Cosmetics. I already have thick brows, so I only use brow gel. You can shape it however you would like. I always come back to this brow gel. I've tried cheaper brands, but I don't know, it hits different. I just go back and forth. After that, we're gonna take our clean hands and blend this concealer. Wow. Alright, after blending that out, I will get a chair. My back is hurting. Give me a second. Got my mirror too from Flower Nose. Yes. Use a blush. I usually just use powder blush, but today I wanna use my liquid blush. So pretty. Coastal Rose. It's so small. Here. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna blend it. A Flower Nose brush. Yay! Let's hope for the best. I think I need more. Okay, let's be generous. And it's a very pale color too, so I should have known better. Oh no, oh my gosh. I'm gonna drag it a little over here. I see that. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Yeah, we're seeing it now. Yes! With a powder blush just because. Oh my god, it feels so pretty already. Gorgeous, okay? I'm telling you. So guys, look at my new makeup bag. Isn't that pretty? Next, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. I'm gonna get my Flower Nose palette. My favorite palette, guys. This one. Use a brown shade. Little tip. Go find out what are you. Are you a cool tone, warm tone, or neutral? Girl, it definitely helps. Put it on your crease. And I like to push. Don't like this. Go in more. Don't be shy, because I'm not gonna fuck this up. It's just a brown color, okay? I'm gonna put a 3rd layer. There we go. And do the same thing on your other eye, okay? So look at the difference. It's very subtle, but it's definitely there. Put some other under your eye, a little, just a little. Guys, so here's how it's gonna look. Powder from e.l.f. Use this puff, the excess here. As much as you can under your eye, my forehead, because I get so oily there. Oiliness is literally gone. I'm gonna add a little shimmer. Palette in the middle. I'm gonna put it in the middle, okay? Girl, put as much as you want. I don't care. And I don't care what's the color of the glimmer. As long as it shines, you're good to go. And do my nose contour using the same brown eyeshadow. My nose contour is a hit or miss. Hopefully it's gonna hit this time. So I start off right here, brow bone. So like towards the nose. It's not straight, kind of curves, okay? And I put under the nose, look right here. And I pinch this on my tip of my nose. Like this one, so you can outline it better. Pinch it again and put it like right here. I don't know what it do, but I saw people do it, so I started to do it too. That's the best I could do. And just blend it out under my nose and call it a day. Jumbo eyeliner right here, above your nose. Blend that shit out with your fingers. Don't blend it too much. You want it to kind of stand out. Next, and one of the most important thing, eyeliner. This one is from She Glam. This is gonna be tricky. I like to do my eyeliner off cam because they mostly turn out not too good. I'll try to show it to you guys if I can make this fucking mirror stand. Correct. I like to do this. Follow like right here where my eye ends. I'm just gonna shut up, okay? Okay, it's gonna be like a little upward. It ends right here in the middle. Hold that in. Okay, I think that's a success. I think they're even, right? Like a little dot right here. This brown liner from Rimmel London. The middle. I smile a little. And then follow that line. This and blend that out. Lip liner. This from Essence. Here's how I line my lips. I overline a little on the top and just follow my bottom lip. And I like this color because it's kind of my own lip color. So the overlining is not too noticeable. Oh shit. Let me stop talking. Gloss from Rimmel London again. This is my favorite gloss. It's $5. And I'm gonna put it off cam because I'm running a little late for my friend's party. One thing I do differently is I'm done doing this, like this, and then you go. Some people hate this because they called it, I guess, spider eyelashes, but I like it. It's like low-key mango lash. Beware though that this could literally cut your eyelashes, so be careful. I'm gonna use this flower nose highlighter again. Another flower nose. Remember those white jumbo NYX eyeliner? We're gonna put this over it.